To ensure safety, you need to disconnect the main power supply to the fuel cell unit and apply lockout/tagout devices to prevent any accidental re-energization. Check the electrical terminal block with a voltmeter to ensure all circuits are completely de-energized, as this is critical for your safety. Inspect the cylindrical vessel body, front left, for any signs of wear, corrosion, or damage. It's important to catch any issues before they become serious. Look for any signs of leaks or wear in the actuator housing, front right, as its integrity is vital for the system's safe operation. Monitor the optical sensor assembly, left closely. Accurate sensor readings are crucial for safe and proper system operation. Make sure all components are reassembled correctly and tightly secured. Improper assembly can lead to serious operational failures or safety issues. You need to remove the lockout/tagout devices and reconnect the power supply at the electrical terminal block to safely restore power to the fuel cell unit. Document all findings, actions taken, and any parts replaced in the logbook. Accurate records are vital for future maintenance and safety compliance.